Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create group chat on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok, then you need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on inbox, and then you need to click on the icon in the top right corner, and then you need to select any conversation, and then you need to click on three dots in the top right corner, and here you can see that there is no option of group chat because in my country this option is not rolled out. But if you are in different country, you simply need to first update your TikTok and you will find option here of create group chat. But if that option is not showing, it means that this option is not rolled out in your country. So by following these steps you can easily create group chat on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.